Hey everyone, welcome back to Full Circle Healing Teas and Tarot. My name is Sarah C. I have been waiting days to open my monthly subscription from Witch Casket over in the UK. So I'm very excited about this. I've just been so busy and I wanted to be able to have the time and the space on my phone to make a video. So stay tuned while I open up this box. Ooh. Okay, so on top we have the sun and moon, June 25. It's a little intro for the month. Ooh, I'm so excited. Ooh, altar tray set, a sun and moon tarot pendant, sun incense. I love new incense. Moon incense. Ooh. Okay, we have some day to night ritual for moving on and manifesting ritual kit. Sunstone, moonstone, tumbled stones with info cards. Oh, sweet. Water parchment scroll, celestial energy art print, and monthly manifestations. I have their rain bowl that I got in last month's casket, which I left outside. We got a lot of rain yesterday all at once, and I'm sure it's pretty full at this point. I'll have to send a picture in. Okay, moving on. So here is the monthly manifestations. So you jot down what your goals are, steps you can take to reach these goals, what magical steps I can take to reach these goals. Practical and magical. It's pretty. Okay. Day to night ritual kit for moving on and manifesting. It smells good. I gotta smell everything. What do they call it? Your olfactory senses? Mine is very heightened. I always say, because I'm deaf and blind pretty much, that I can smell everything a mile away. All right. This is the ritual instructions. Okay, very cool. Paper to write what you're manifesting, what you want to get rid of. I believe I feel a candle. Nice. I was just looking at my black candle. I have one over here. Oh, isn't this pretty? I can even engrave things on this side. I like how it's carved. See that? It's pretty neat. And incense to go along. What did I say that was? Sandalwood. Fireproof dish, sandalwood incense, black candle, piece of paper, and a pencil. There's something else in here. Nope, maybe not. Okay. All right, so that's very cool. I'm going to put this back in the bag until I'm ready to use it. Okay. Okay. Next, Sun and Moon Tarot Pendant. Double-sided pendant depicts the sun and moon. Ooh. Oh, sweet. Is the thing lit? Oh, isn't that pretty? And here's the moon. Like I said, these boxes are chock full, and I absolutely love it. Okay, cool. So we have moonstone and sunstone. See, day and night. pretty? And then, of course, I have the peach Aventine. I keep saying that wrong. Adventuring from last month's box. All right, let's see. This is spell candles. Yellow for the sun and gray for the moon. These high-quality spell candles allow you to invoke the energy of those powerful celestial bodies. Okay. So there you go. All right, let's see what I got next. It's very early in the morning. People are getting up and going to work in my house right now. Let's see what this is. Ooh, stocking jars. What? Oh, ooh, I like these. Aren't those pretty? What? I could put my favorite herbs that I use on a regular when I'm doing my candle magic here and keep it by my altar. There's the moon. They're packed very well too. These are cute as fuck. I love these. All right, moving on. Okay, there's a scroll and some peanuts. I love the scrolls. These are so cool. Okay. Moon and sun water, simply put, is water which has been left out under the moon or sun to become imbued. Well, actually, it was a new moon yesterday, the 25th, and this is so great because actually the rainbow that I put out the other day, it rained yesterday, so it sat overnight, and then I will leave it in the sun for a little bit this morning. It gets so hot so quick here. Oh, isn't that pretty? What you can do with your different waters. I have all kinds of waters. I have eclipse waters. I have all kinds of stuff. This is really cool. Really, really cool. Let's see if I did this small enough. I didn't. Oh, I did. Yay. Ta-da. Is that? Okay, moon incense of cinnamon and chamomile. Ooh, I really like their last incense. I think it was cedar. Oh, that smells so good. What is that again? Vanilla, cinnamon and chamomile. Cinnamon's good for bringing in money energy. Bringing in money. Manifesting money. Okay, there's that one. And here is the sun, jasmine, and lavender. As I connect to the sun and his powerful energy, I draw great strength down to me. Or what does this one say? Light the incense and affirm as I connect to the moon and her calming energy, I draw a powerful peace down to me. That's awesome. Oh, that smells divine. So good. I think I got one more thing in the bottom. Like I said, these are chock full. If you live in the UK and you're near them, you should go check out their store. Ooh. I need a bigger altar, I think. This is my working altar. I need like a whole room that's an altar. Kinda is. OMG. Oh, wow. Alright, hold on. There's 3 in here. Oh, there's 2 in here. Okay. There was 3 pieces of cardboard. Oh, these are cool. And they got some weight to them, just so you know. Look at this. Well done. Look at this. So, yeah, with all my things here and my spilled coffee. So, in essence, you're looking at something like that. That is really cool. So there you go. This was my June 2025 Witch Casket for the month. And as always, it is chock full of amazing witchy things that are useful, practical, magical, smell good, and blends nicely into your everyday workings. So thank you again to Deb and Ella out in the UK. I love my casket, and I can't wait to see next month's. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe or follow, depending on what platform you're watching this, and have a wonderful day. Until next time, blessed be.